Alrighty guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can access Facebook stories from a PC or Mac desktop or laptop computers. You can use this in your affiliate business for your page. If you have a business page, you can use stories and use it for your business and create ads or check-ins or whatever to let people know what you're doing through Facebook stories. Okay, so stick around. We'll be right back here in just a few seconds and we'll get started right on that. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the video. Like I said earlier in the intro there, I'm going to show you how you can access Facebook stories on a desktop PC or Macintosh PC. And where normally it's meant for Messenger, you access it through Messenger and you can set up a story just similar like you do on Instagram. Only it's a little used feature. I don't think many people are using it, or they may not know yet the power of it, just like it is on Instagram. Which, by the way, Instagram and Facebook are one and the same. Facebook owns Instagram. All right, so this works particularly good if you have a business, like affiliate marketing business, and you would want to use this particular tool for your business to help advertise or check in or interact with your audience on your Facebook page. All right, so also my name is Kevin Lehner with freedommotivator.com. If this is your first time here to my video or channel, what we do here is we do affiliate marketing videos, how-to videos, general value videos, and once in a while a motivational video as well. Okay, and also if this is your first time to my video or channel and you have not yet subscribed, or you've been to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, well, please reach down there below and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified when we upload new videos, which we do fairly regularly here. Okay, all right, well, let's go ahead and get started right in on this. First of all, let's find out a little bit about Facebook stories and what they are. If I come over here to my browser, and I'm already on the Facebook business. Now, if you have a business page with your affiliate marketing business or e-com business, whatever, you want to access your page so that you can work with it through your business, your Facebook business manager. Okay, so you access it through there. But here, let's find out a little bit about page stories here on the Facebook.com's help center here. Okay, so it says page stories allow you to share content that represents your brand or business directly from your mobile device. Stories are a way to engage your audience in a more frequent, authentic, or casual way to develop deeper connections. Stories let you share pictures and short video segments that bring your audience on a journey from start to finish for anything you might be working on or experiencing. This shares with your followers a meaningful look at your business. Now, page stories appear at the top of the news feed, like if on a if you have like a regular Facebook account, it will show at the top of the news feed, and I think it's actually up at the upper right on a regular Facebook account. But in the on your business page, it'll show up right on your news feed there as another post, basically. All right, and we'll get into it here in just a moment. I'll show you how to do that. And in a highly visible area, users can also view your page story by tapping on your mobile page's profile picture. Now, it's talking about mobile here, but I'm going to show you how you can access it on PC or on the computer here like this. So what are some of the benefits of your stories? Well, you can share more often. It's common for businesses to assess how frequently they should post to their page. So if you've already shared content to your page or are currently running a page ad, creating a page story can help you become more active and engaging with your audience by providing a different type of media to enjoy and connect with. And then humanize your business. You want your page to come across as friendly and accessible, and stories can help people get to know you and your business better. Stories allow you to share more personal and relatable content because stories often include the fun, fleeting moments that bind everyone together. and then you can reach people consistently. When anyone in your audience misses a post, when they log on to your Facebook, your story will be visible to them at the top of the news feed. So then that tells me too. So then when you post, because of your followers and people that have liked your page, when you post your story on your business page, it's going to show up on your followers or your people that have liked your page. It's going to show up on their news feed, on their regular Facebook page, which is a good thing. So that's also a formal way to advertise that you can use there too. And you see the power of this tools here so far. And when anyone, okay, and then it's a great way to re-engage your a passive audience and bring updates to the entire audience in a dynamic way. And then you'll be able to see the number of people that watch your story at any point while it's live. Now, just like with Instagram, your Instagram stories only last for what, 24 hours at a time, right? And then they disappear automatically. It's the same thing here on Facebook. They've done the same thing. Your story on your page will last for 24 hours and then it just disappears. All right, and then some of the features of the stories is you can personalize your story, use the Facebook camera, and add creative effects like frames and stickers and personalized photos and videos. Now, I haven't seen that on the PC version of how we're going to do that when I show you this PC version of this. But according, on your mobile phone, if you have Messenger, you can access your story. If I can get this over here right. Right there by the plus sign, you click that plus sign, you can create a story there on Messenger on your mobile phone. Okay, but it's a little bit different, I think, on the PC here, which I'll show you here in just a moment. And then you can cross-post across platforms. If you're active on Instagram, use stories. You can cross-share the stories you create on Instagram to share and connect with your Facebook community. All right, so coming over here, and we'll use my page as an example. This is my page here. Of course, you want to make sure that you log into your business manager to access your page, and then if you know how to do that, you know that you click right here to load up your page, right? And then so if we come over to the page, now you can see that I have my Instagram account already connected to my page here. So I can share my pictures and or stories right from here onto my Facebook page, as you see I've done with this particular post right here earlier this week, and so on and so forth. Now, so how would you connect I'll show you real quick like how you connect your Instagram to your Facebook page if you haven't already done this. Basically, you're going to be on your page here in your business manager, right? And then you're going to come up here and click on settings, and it loads up settings, and then you scroll down in the column on the left here, you'll see where it says Instagram right here. As I said before, Facebook owns Instagram. They're all the one same company. So if you click on Instagram here, and then you can you can connect your Instagram account that lets people who manage your page and use Facebook take some actions on Instagram. So, but excuse me, you can connect your Instagram account right here under Instagram on settings. Okay, it's easy enough to do that. And now, how do we access the stories on our Facebook page so that we can create a story for our viewers, okay, and our followers and subscribers? All right, so the best way to do it that I found here is when you're on your page and you see your photo up here, if you click on that plus sign right there by the photo, it will load up this window here. And as you see here at the top of this window here, it says create a story, right? And then you can write a post, you can upload a photo or a video, you can add a emoji to it as well, and or if you just want to check in, you can do that as well too. Now, you can set this by clicking on it, unchecking the box or the circle there. If, for example, if you didn't want anybody to see it, only it'd be visible for 24 hours to you, but nobody would see it if you uncheck that. And it's the same with the news feed. It won't show up in their news feed or on your page, I guess, for that matter. Posts are public and show up on your page and in search results, but if you uncheck that box, it won't. So naturally you want to leave those both checked, right? And so that people can see your post. So let's just, I'm going to do a little example of one here. This actually, I haven't done this yet. So I figured I'd share it with you guys and try this. So I'm gonna post to my Facebook crowd here on my Facebook page. I'm just going to simply say, hi, how's everybody doing today? Hope all is well with all you guys. Okay, and then I'll just put a little emoji on here with it, like a little my sunglass guy here. And then, you know, I could upload a video or whatever and so on and so forth, but I'll just go ahead and let it go at that. It'll last for 24 hours, I suppose. All right, and then it says revisit your stories after they disappear, and so on and so forth. So now, where is it? There it is, right there. So see, it shows up on here, and people can like it, comment, share it, and so on and so forth. And now that'll only last for 24 hours, right? Just like on Instagram. And then you can click the dots up here, and you can edit it, delete it, or whatnot, so on and so forth, from your page as well. So that, guys, is pretty much what I had to show you today. I wanted to show you how you can work with Facebook stories right from your PC or computer. Just remember to click on your plus sign on your photo that you have for your page, your business page, and that'll bring that up, and you can add your stories to it. See? All right, so well, that's what I had for you today, guys. Appreciate you coming to the video here, and if you don't forget to subscribe, reach down there and hit the subscribe button and click the bell. And also, if you want to see my #1 rated business, click down there in the description where it says mentorwithkev.com. Okay, and then read the paragraph above that and see what all you get with that. And you can take a free business challenge, which will help you to decide for yourself what's the best affiliate marketing business for you. And you can also check out the incredible marketing education that you get with that too as well. Okay, alrighty, guys. Thanks for coming to the video today. I'm going to let you go. And if you like this video and these videos, comment down below. Let me know how you feel about it, if you liked it and it helped you, it's been valuable to you. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up too, if you would. Appreciate that. Thanks. I'm going to let you guys go, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days on the next video. Okay, you guys have a wonderful day today. I'll see you now. Bye-bye.